Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and I think it's almost more than a week, or it's almost 2 weeks already that I'm not able to upload any update on my YouTube channel. And today I've just arrived here in Cebu, coming from a long vacation in Negros, and I celebrated Father's Day in Negros, and I'm back. So for this video, I would like to bring you here in Mactan, in Punta Engaño, specifically in the Amisa Residences, and I have a unit there, and on this video I will feature that unit, so stay tuned. We are now going to Punta Engaño, and later on I will give the details of the property that I am going to upload. This one is really nice because in Amisa the prices there is already expensive, and this property is one of the, like, we can say, cheap offer for a 40 square meter condo in Amisa. And Amisa is one of the beachfront condominium in Punta Engaño. It's just only beside the Dusitani. And later on, just stay tuned because you will see what Amisa looks like in actual as of this date, June 23, 2026. So stay tuned. And this is the Amisa Residences beside Dusitani. Those are the towers A, B, and C. And let's go first. That's going to the Dusitani, but we will go first here. Sa parking. And this is the Amisa. That's going to Dusitani. And these are the towers of the Amisa. This is the back of the Amisa. The front is the Dusitani. And front of the Dusitani is the beachfront. But later on I will show you. And the center of the Amisa and the Amisa residence and Tower D. So the parking here is not problem because, as you can see, those parking are dedicated here in the Amisa residences. It's the central amenities, the swimming pool and the clubhouse of Amisa. And these are the buildings, and those are the parking, open parking. All of the residents can park in that open parking. So this is the Amisa, the unit in Amisa. I think this is one of the most cheapest unit available now for sale. This is a resale unit here in Amisa, and this is a studio corner unit at the located at the Tower C of the Amisa studio. This is about 40 square meters, and this is the kitchen, and you have the balcony there. The view of the balcony is the basketball court, and this is a corner unit with bed. All the thing, I think the bed will be, the owner will give this, and the air cons, yeah, some of the things if in case this unit will be sold out. And this is the CR. And don't mind those things around because sometimes the owner of this unit is here, but they are now not here, and they are now in China because the owner is Chinese, and they are selling this for only 3.2 million pesos net. And this is located again at the Tower C of the Amisa, corner unit at the second floor of this Tower C of the Amisa. I will show you the balcony. And that's the Tower P. And this is the tower C. And this is the below the garden. And this is facing the northeast, and that's the tower D, the ongoing construction of tower D here in Amisa. And that's the basketball court. And later on I will bring you to Dusitani because you have direct access here going to Dusitani. And those are the buildings, and that's the Coral Point. And this is the garden below. And this is the balcony. So you have to clean lang kay there are things around and unuseful. And that's the video. So this is it. This is a small kitchen. And you have a small dining area here. That's the unit at the second floor. And this is the open part. And this is the tower C, and this is the tower B, and this is the amenities of the Dusitani. That's the tower D, tower C, tower B, and the tower A. And this is the ongoing renovation of the clubhouse. This is the clubhouse, ongoing renovation, and the gym. So, gina-renovate pa. So, medyo lock pa lock. Ga-renovate agad. That's the Dusitani. I will bring you now to the amenities of the Dusitani. I mean the Amisa. This is the garden. This is the gym. And this is the pool. And if you think this pool is small and boring, you can go to the Dusitani. I will bring you down to the Dusitani so that you can see the ocean of the Dusitani. And that's the tower A of Amisa. And that is the tower B. And if you want penthouse, there is available penthouse in this building, the tower B. Only one. And that's the Tower C. That's the ongoing construction of the Tower D. And this is the central garden or central amenities of the Amisa. And that's the Dusitani. That's the Dusitani. And in front of the Dusitani is the beachfront. I will bring you there. And the Tower D, because the last tower will be built in that. There are next towers here. But ano lang, dili siya taas nga ba building. Mag-level lang siya sa Dusitani. Diha, that area, that land there will be building soon. The towers, the next towers of the Amisa, the Tower D and the Tower C, Tower B and Tower A. Let's go now to the Dusitani. I will show you the Dusitani. But let's take a shortcut here. Going to Dusitani. There's the shortcut. This is the building, Tower A. And let's take a shortcut lang. Nice man kayo diri. Agad kayo. Okay tulog. This is the park. Ay, Dusitani. Ah? Nay. Dili. Mo check ra ko. Oh, dili ko gikan sa Amisa. Dusitani. Dusitani Mactan. So I am now almost entering the boundary of the Punta Engaño. This is the road going to Mactan Town, that road. And I decided to take film of to take record and video with this road going to Punta Engaño, because the Punta Engaño is one of the expensive place here in Mactan. All of the nice and fine white sand beaches is located here. That's why if you want to live in a residential condo that is located here in Punta Engaño, you must have to expect that the prices of those residential condos are higher than those are not located here in Punta Engaño, just like those in Aruga and the Sheraton condominiums. Those are one of the expensive subdivision. And this is Shangri-La Mactan. That's the Shangri-La Mactan, and this is the boundary of the Barangay Punta Engaño. And we are now taking the road of Punta Engaño. That's the Punta Engaño. And so that you can be able to picture out what's the situation here in Punta Engaño. Then maybe I will point out also that's the El Sol. Going to the El Sol, and that building there that's the old I forgot. Now it's Movenpick, but before it's not Movenpick. The brown buildings. So left and right, that's a Movenpick, and that will be soon like the Cebu Business Park of Punta Engaño. There will be business centers there in that area, and beach resort. It's a huge development here in Punta Engaño. You can see the signage of Aruga by Rockwell. It's 2 kilometer. Blue Coast Residences. And that's the Azura Seaside Mactan. Abaca Resort, it's ongoing construction. B Residence, B Resort, Chateau by the Sea. The tip of the Punta Engaño is the Artera. That's the most steepest, the tip area of the Punta Engaño, the Artera Residences. And this is the commercial Korean, I think it's Korean. There's a Korean store. Palm Beach, right side is Palm Beach, front of that Korean commercial area, Palm Beach. And this is one of the newest commercial development here in Punta Engaño, the commercials area. And we are now almost approaching the entrance of the Sheraton. Sheraton, it's a mixed development hotel and the residence. But there is no commercial inside the Sheraton Hotel and Sheraton Residences. The beachfront is the Sheraton Hotel, but the residence, especially the villas, has direct access to the beachfront amenities or the beach or the hotel concierge. And there is this is one of the newest spa also here. And that is the entrance of the Sheraton Hotel and Residences. That's the entrance of the Sheraton Mactan. So there are very few units available in that residential condo also. The villa, I think the 3-bedroom villa is already sold out, but the 2-bedroom villa is still available if you are interested with that. So Sheraton has still a very few available. And this is the Aruga by Rockwell. That area by Rockwell. Aruga. It's also a mixed development. And the tower 1 of the Aruga is already, I think they're almost RFO na. And also they are almost sold out. All the villas in Aruga is already sold out. And that's the second project of the Rockwell here in Cebu. The first project is the 32 Sanson. And the second project is the Aruga, and the third project is the Lincoln in Mabolo. And we are now approaching the Amisa residences. Hold on till the end. And we are now in Amisa. If you will go straight with this road, as I said, the tip of this road is the Artera, so it will leads you going to Artera. But the purpose of this video is to show the Amisa. That's why I want to go in Amisa first. And Amisa is just beside the Dusitani. That's the Dusitani Mactan. Amisa and Dusitani. I'll post first my video. And this is the Amisa residence. Those are the towers of Amisa.